If you've lost access to your Travis Credit Union account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Travis Credit Union website. Go to the official Travis Credit Union website. Look for the login section where you can access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somehow. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Provide your account information. Enter the required information such as your email address or account number. Make sure the information you provide matches what is on file with the credit union. Step 4. Choose an alternative recovery method. Since you don't have access to your phone number, select an alternative recovery method such as receiving a verification email. Follow the prompts to receive a link or code to your registered email. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you receive the verification link or code, follow the instructions to reset your password. Create a new password that meets the security requirements and log into your account. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your Travis Credit Union account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.